Welcome to Smartbinz, your trusted partner for dumpster rental in Westbrook, Maine. Smartbinz has the perfect solution for every waste disposal need, from home cleanouts to large-scale projects. We offer a wide range of dumpster sizes designed to accommodate any project. Smartbinz makes waste removal easy with fast delivery, flexible rental periods, and efficient pickups. At Smartbinz, we take pride in providing top-quality dumpsters that are clean and well-maintained. Our team ensures you receive your dumpster on time, helping you stay on track with your project. Our friendly team is here to guide you through the rental process, making it as simple as possible. Smartbinz is committed to offering exceptional service to all our customers in Westbrook and beyond. As a locally owned business, we understand the specific needs of our community. Smartbinz is proud to provide reliable, affordable dumpster rental options that you can count on. Smartbinz makes renting a dumpster convenient and stress-free with easy online booking and transparent pricing. Whether you need a dumpster for a day or week, we offer flexible rental terms to fit your timeline. Call us at 207-404-1308 or visit www.smartbinz.us. Dumpster Rental Westbrook ME to reserve your dumpster today. Smartbinz, the smart choice for dumpster rentals in Westbrook, Maine.